Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best butterfly backpack for school. The BYXEPA Girls Backpack in the charming purple butterfly design. This backpack is not just cute but highly functional, making it a perfect companion for young students heading to elementary school. Measuring 16.1 inches tall, 11.5 inches long, and 6.7 inches wide, this backpack strikes the ideal balance between spaciousness and manageability for kids. It weighs just 1.32 pounds, so it won't weigh your child down. The butterfly print adds a chic and dreamy touch, making it both a stylish and practical choice. Durability is a key feature here. The backpack is crafted from high-density, thickened Oxford cloth with waterproof fabric, protecting all the belongings inside from unexpected rain or spills. For comfort, the design includes ergonomic S-shaped adjustable shoulder straps that are breathable and padded, reducing strain on little shoulders and bags. There's also a padded back panel, a soft sponge decompression handle, and a chest buckle, all designed to distribute weight evenly and keep your child comfortable throughout the day. The BYXEPA backpack shines in organization. It has a large main compartment that fits essentials like a 3-inch binder, lunch bag, snacks, and books easily. Inside this main pocket, there's a padded laptop sleeve that can accommodate devices up to 16 inches, plus 3 inner pouches to keep smaller items neatly stored. On the outside, you'll find a secondary front compartment with a unique 180-degree wide opening. This pocket includes 4 mesh pouches, a zipper pocket, and 3 pen trays, making it simple for kids to access their pens, cards, or other school supplies. Additionally, there are 5 front tool pockets for small items and 2 side pockets perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. An anti-theft bag adds a layer of security for valuables. This backpack is designed exclusively for kids aged 5 and up and is perfect not only for school but also for daycare, shopping, short trips, or camping. Its versatile, kawaii design ensures it can be a go-to bag for everyday use. To top it all off, BYXEPA offers a 12-month service term with the backpack, so you can reach out if you encounter any issues. This thoughtful customer support ensures that you're making a risk-free investment. In summary, the BYXEPA Girls Backpack combines a beautiful butterfly-themed design with durable materials, ergonomic comfort, and thoughtful organization. If you're looking for a backpack that's both practical and adorable for your little girl's school days, this one stands out as an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.